Hey guys, welcome back. So today what we're going to do on the house, or rather the fence, is we have 114 panels. And these are it, guys. So we're going to be hanging them up all the way down the line, across the back and on the other side. And I think we're going to leave the front area for wood fence, just to kind of give it a different look. Because we're thinking the front is going to be wood going all the way down to the front fence. So we're gonna try to separate it by having that division in the front area. But yeah, so we'll give you guys a look at what it looks like as we're doing it and as we hang it and when it's done. And it's very simple. Just start at the top. They overlap, so it's pretty easy. You can cut it, trim it, actually move some of the soil if it's too high in some places. So we got the shovel, we got a step ladder for the wife because she's short. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out, and we'll let you guys know and just keep up to date with everything, and we'll go from there.
Bab, what are you doing?
I'm trying to save time by using a lawnmower to pick up a fuck ton of panels and use it as like a dolly. Works. Yeah, baby.
Well, there you have it, guys. He always comes up with some clever ideas, that's for sure.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my.
Alright guys, so after 2 days of working, we finally got all 3 backsides done. So it looks good. And for the front, as I was saying before, guys, we're just gonna put like a natural wood fence, stain it and seal it so it lasts longer. And then that should match the future plans that we have for the front yard, so going all the way to the road there. But yeah, guys, it was definitely a fun project. All the gaps down below, we actually have extra sheet metal, and we're going to be cutting them into 4 sections. So every one piece has 4 sections to it, so we're going to cut those 4 sections apart, and then we'll end up screwing them to close in that gap for the most part. Anything that's left over, especially on that end where it's really high up, we're going to be using sand the rest of the way. Try to fill in some of these low spots in the yard where water and things like that likes to gather. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you again for joining us on another video. And as we make more, you'll see them. So hit that bell notification so that y'all guys get notified when we do make more videos. And until next time, guys, be safe and God bless.